going on, guys? Body beat down. Getting his post-workout meal ready to go. Got some rice in the microwave. I would show you that, but you know, it kind of exploded, so I won't show you that. Got some chicken going here. Got some onion. Here we're gonna take advantage of that. Little syrup, little cocktail sauce, little hot sauce, little soy sauce. And we got some shrimp. So we're gonna have ourselves a nice little healthy meal. And also gotta show this. Gotta get our greens in there. Baby spinach. So gonna have ourselves a nice little healthy meal tonight. And yeah, I'll show you when it's done, guys. It's easy to do. Anyone can do it. All right, the rice is done. Sitting there doing its thing. So normally I would be using a tripod, but I didn't feel like messing with tripod. So let's throw some soy sauce in here. Hey. Little soy sauce. A little bit of sweetener. Chicken's going good. Oh yeah, get her done. Yeah, get her done, Bubba. Woo! Hot mama. Yard bird. Got the yard and the bird. Yard bird. All right, we got our shrimp all detailed, and I put onions off in there. Shrimp only take about a minute. Shrimp do not take long to cook, so we are doing them way last. They literally take like a minute. So, all right, we got a few things to still do, and we'll catch you in just a minute, guys. Enjoy! All right, I'm not one to shy away from mixing things up. So let's just dump our shrimp and onion right in there. You just kind of want to keep an eye on your shrimp because they will cook down real fast. Super fast. So we're going to kick the heat up just a bit. Just to get them popping. Like Mary popping. Ay. All right. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah. All right, we got our big pile of rice there. We got our goodies gooding up over here. Up all night, sleep all day. Up all night, sleep all day. That's right. That's right. Pip, pip. Cheerio. Get our chicken over there, right there, brother. You know what I'm saying? See if I can one-hand this son of a gun. Nope, can't do it like that. Can't do it. I just can't do it, guys. Can't do it. Let's put a little bit of this in there. A little bit of this. Okay. A lot. Maybe a lot. We'll do that much. My God, get the lid on, Mike! Get the lid on! A little pepper. Pepper. Or a lot. I like a lot. Let's get this on the menu here, guys. Let's get it rolling. Little hot sauce. Saucing it up. Come on now. Let's get the heat going again. Let's get the heat going again, Bubba. Come on now. Come on. Get with it, brother. Yum. My, it looks delish. Yums to my tums. Very simple stuff, guys. Very easy to do. Anybody can make this kind of stuff. I'm just going to throw my spinach in here, let it soften up and do its thing. Again, sorry, I normally use a tripod for my little kitchen stuff. I didn't feel like messing with a tripod. Sorry. And I have shaky hands. It's like, just shaky hands. Now, there's 1,001 ways to do all these kind of things. You guys do what you want. I'm not opposed to anything. I'll eat just about whatever the heck. I don't care. As long as it's healthy, I don't care. Really don't care, brothers and sisters. Beautiful people of the world. You amazing people. Look at me all over the place. Let's just do a little bit of this right up in here. There we go. Yeah, just a dash of that right there. A little bit of that. What was that there? Soy sauce. Oh, goodness me. I like that soy sauce. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I can smell it from here. My goodness, it just makes me want to dip my face in that hot skillet. I swear to you, I'm going to dip my face in that hot skillet. Woo! We'll be back as soon as it's done, and we'll load up the plate. All right, here we are. We are done. We're going to load our plate up with all this goodness here. Mike, are you going to eat all that? Yeah, I'm going to eat all that. I am going to eat all of this. Yes, I am. Gosh dang it, I dropped one on the stove. Son of a gun! I ain't never been so mad in my life. Eating, good. There you go. Some awesome food for you to have after you work out. Got some rice, onion, baby spinach. Got some shrimp, some chicken. Got some spices and herbs off in there. Let's go ahead and do one more little squiggity of some pepper. There we go. All right, guys, and just like that, we're done. I'm going to go eat. I'm hungry. Not really. I'm pretending I'm hungry. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff to the body beat down. That's me, Michael, your incredible host. Get up, get out, get red. Do it to it. See you next time on the body beat down.
Get up, get out, get red, and do it to it!